Hey everyone, this is Katie here. Just going to be making a quick video about how I make my Herbalife protein shakes. My favorite flavor is the cookies and cream. There's two ways you can make your shake depending on your need. Say you want a meal replacement. Well, then you would add 8 ounces of milk, 2 scoops of this, and put it in a blender and mix it. And then you can add, for thickness, I always add about 8 ice cubes and put it back in the blender and blend. Now, however, if you want to make this as a snack, which would be only 70 calories, you add 8 ounces of cold water, 2 scoops, blend. If you want it, like I said, if you want thickness, add about 8 ice cubes and blend. A meal replacement with 8 ounces of fat-free milk is $170 for a meal replacement. So it just depends on your need. Cookies and cream is my favorite. Basically has 21 vitamins and minerals. It is a great source of fiber. It's high quality protein to satisfy hunger. Whatever your needs are is how you can make your shake. So just thought I'd share that with you. And for everyone that likes my videos here on YouTube, simply hit subscribe below, and thank you for watching.